Alright guys, we're going to be doing a battery drain test for the Note 8 Pro, starting off with YouTube on auto. So we're just going to be playing it for 2 hours, and we'll be back. So I'm expecting this to do somewhere around 8 hours to 9 hours, so we'll see how it does. Alright y'all, we're at the 2-hour mark, and let's see, we're on 87% so far. So let's go ahead and launch a game real quick. Call of Duty Mobile, and then we'll come back at the 4-hour mark. Alright guys, we hit the 4-hour mark and we are on 68%, and I forgot to mention, here's the brightness level. And let's go ahead and do again the split multitasking. So we're gonna play some videos. No, we can't do that one. Hold on. Yeah, we're gonna play the video and then leave the game open. So as you can see, we have the little video right here, and we're gonna leave the game open. So let's go ahead and run that for 2 more hours. Alright, so we're about to hit the 6-hour mark. Let's go ahead and check on the battery, and we're at 32%, as you can see, with the video still playing. So let's go ahead and try to do something else. Let's go ahead and try like Fortnite. Only reason I'm playing a lot of games with this one is because a lot of people asked about, like, I know people are going to be doing heavy gaming on here, and I always get questions about gaming on here. So that's why I'm really like not doing the social media ones so much. It's just videos, games, stuff like that. Really heavy stuff to give you a really good idea of, can you do heavy gaming on a, you know, a 4,500 milliamp battery. So let's go ahead and give this another 2 hours. And matter of fact, let's keep YouTube going. Alright guys, so it looks like we're on the 5% mark, so we're gonna go ahead and cut it there. And this phone did really well. As you can see, 7 hours and pretty much 30 minutes you can squeeze out of this phone. So I did this test a little different because I was asked a lot of gaming questions, so I think a lot of people are going to want to game heavy on this. And as you can see, you can pretty much do, you know, 7 almost 8 hours of gaming on this phone. So I thought that was pretty impressive. If you're a light user, you can easily squeeze 8 hours, probably 8 hours and 30 minutes out this phone, no problem. So excellent battery life, very nice. So thanks for watching. I will catch you guys in the next one.